Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to search for items on Jumia. First thing is to open up your Jumia app. Then at the top here you can see the deals ads are popping up, but then top here searching Jumia, type what you want to search. Let's say I want to search for, if you're a computer user, you have a headache or something, you need an anti-blue rays. So anti-blue light glasses. So choose it, give it a few seconds, and then you can see every one of them. You can see different ones from different stores with their price list. So you can choose if you want one shipped from Nigeria. You can see here, one was shipped from Nigeria, tapping on it. So let's say do I want to buy is this one. Tap on it. Let's see, top station, delivery fee, give out no delivery, return policy, product details. Tap on this arrow to see the product details. Don't forget to read it very well. While you're through, you read people's reviews. And once you're through, you can add to cart. Carts are very updated. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.